Okay, so here we go. Yeah, here we go. So we have Anna Gabriella. She has this is the real life truth story, and we have to take this pill. Show them. Look, this pill. See the pill? This is what you shove this up your ass. So you go poop poop. You go. You hold on. Wait a minute. Let me show them. It's a better view. Hold on. Right here, look. Okay, so you got this pill. See this pill? You take this and you shove it up. You put it up your asshole. So you go poop poop.
Stop it.
You take a shit. And that's what she's doing right now because she's constipated. So look, we take this pill. Turn around. Hold on. Turn around. Yeah. Show them for fun. And you. This up the, and you go poop poop. If you're constipated, that's what you have to do. You got to take this pill. You got to put it up your, you got to put up your poop poop of your asshole, and that's how you go to the bathroom. Now, the reason we're doing this, and the reason I'm showing you this video, is because everything we do in my life and our life is live. Here, baby, here, hold on. Wait, here, take this. She's on the poop poop right now. Okay. I love it. Welcome to my life. 51 years old, living in paradise in Mexico on the Caribbean, having a great time. And I want to show you how to live this lifestyle. What does that mean? That means you can do whatever you want, whenever you want to do it. You don't have a boss. You don't sit in traffic. You don't work for anybody. You work for yourself. And how do you work for yourself? You make a lot of money online. Now hold on. I'm trying to find. We're gonna go to Netflix here. Watch this. Watch this. Here, wait. Watch. We have a smart TV here, 55-inch smart TV, in our little condo on the beach. The beach is right over there, by the way, which I'll show you tomorrow. Keep watching my videos. And now I'm going to click on boom. Let me see if I can get this to work here. Okay, here we go. Look, boom. Boom, boom. We're gonna go to we're gonna go to YouTube. Let's go to YouTube. YouTube, there it is. Okay, boom. Watch YouTube. Okay, can you see that? I'm going to show you how to make money on your smart TV right on YouTube. How about that? How about making $300 every day right on your smart TV? Check this out. Check this out. So we post videos, ads on all of these YouTube channels. Look at, you got Simon from America's Got Talent, right here. You got Selena Gomez. Okay, these videos get millions of views. And if you post an ad on one of their videos, you get millions of views, which means millions of people can see your ad. So that's why I prove to everybody every single day, if you're trying to do things for free, you're an idiot. You have to invest money into an ad on the #1 watched videos on YouTube, and then people click on your ad and they go buy your product and you make a lot of money. It's that simple. Got it? Click on the description below. Send me your information. If you want to make a lot of money immediately within 2, 3, 4, 5 days, seriously, if you're broke, I can't help you. If you're broke, if you have no money, I cannot help you. I'm sorry. Go get some money. You need $1,000 minimum to work with me. And I will show you how to take $1,000 and put it on one of these videos here on YouTube and make millions of dollars over the next couple of years. Okay? That's how you make money. You post one ad, you spend $100, you invest $100, you put it in front of 10,000 people, and 10 people send you $100 and you make $1,000 a day. $1,000 a day times 30 days a month is $30,000 a month by posting ads on all of these YouTube videos right here, and people click on them and they buy your product. If you love that idea, click on the description below. Send me all your information, your name, your mobile number, your cell phone, your country code, your email. Send me everything. Send me your wife, your mother, your baby, your child. If you want to make a lot of money, you work with me, James Paradise. I know how to do it. I've been doing this for years. I live in paradise. I make thousands of dollars a day. And I know exactly how. Look, I got people sending me messages right now. I'm clicking on the messages right now. Over 13,000 people every month contact me to teach them how to make money. It's a simple click. Let's go. And I'm going to take a screenshot right now of this. Woohoo! Let's make money today, not tomorrow. Stop wasting your time listening to all these people teaching you how to do things for free. Forget it. It's a bunch of bullshit. You will not make money online for free. You need to invest money into an ad on one of these popular YouTube channels, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and then people click on it, and then people send you money. They will buy your product or service. I'll show you how to do it. Let's do it. Come on, man. If you're serious, let's go. If you're not serious, don't contact me. I'm only looking for the one person every day that will say, James, I get it. Click, pay me money, and I get rich. It's that simple. But you're helping people. Don't forget, we are helping people make money. The only way you can make a lot of money is to help people make more money. I'll see you soon. Boom!